Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service and MC Monday. Not sure what episode this is. Maybe 18, 17, somewhere around there. I'm not quite sure. But we're coming up on the Orphan Run. This next weekend's Easter, and the following weekend after that is the Orphan Run. So we're 2 weeks out from Orphan Run, so we're probably got 3 more MC Mondays left. But I thank you for coming back and stopping by and checking out this tip here. If you're not familiar with Yogi Cycle Service, I'm Yogi. And here we do all kinds of motorcycle related stuff. Installs of different parts, service, maintenance, motorcycle stuff. And we also do MC Mondays and just whatever comes along, be it Yogi related or whatnot. So if you like what you see, I'd ask you to do me a favor, give it a thumbs up, surf around my channel, check out some of my other videos. If you like those too, give a brother some love, hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber or one of the new subscribers, because we picked up like 500 subscribers in the last month, that is awesome. I thank all y'all for stopping by. I hope you enjoy this content. Man, I got like 300 some videos. Go check them out. MC Monday comes from a week ago. MC Monday tip of the week, how you fit in. And this really goes for prospects of our clubs, but it can fit with other clubs as well. Commit this deep in the memory bank so this becomes part of you. You are a prospect for Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club or whatever club it is that you belong to, not just your charter if you are asked. So a lot of people, our charter is called the Dogwood Crew. And it's been happening in the past and people come up and go, hey man, who are you a prospect for? And they go, Dogwood Crew. Likewise, if I'm an event in public, I am a full patch for Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club. We are all family and part of one club, period. That's one of the reasons why we don't give crew tabs at times that you become prospect in Dogwood, because you are a disciple prospect. This has been a challenge in our club, because you often go up to a prospect and, hey, who are you prospecting for? And remember, when you're a prospect, there really is no right answer. Whatever you say, it's going to be wrong. So if you say, oh, I'm a prospect for the Cali crew or Texas crew or whatever their crew name is, or you say our crew, I'm a prospect for Dogwood. No, you're not. You're a prospect for Disciple. Likewise, if you say you're a prospect for Disciple, they'll probably bust you anyways and say, no, I was talking about your charter. So just remember, as a prospect, whatever you say, you're probably not right. But long story short, remember, you are a prospect for the club. You are not a prospect for the charter. So if we go to an event in another state, a run in another state, you're a prospect. You're expected to serve. So you're not expected to hang out with all the full patches and, hey, I'm not a prospect from this state. I don't have to put in work. Wrong. And you know what? I've seen that happen with just about every other club I've been with in an out-of-state run. Their prospects put in work at their events also. It doesn't matter if you're from that state. Doesn't matter if you're part of that charter. You are prospecting that club. And the same goes true and holds true for our club. If you are a prospect, you are not a charter's prospect. You are the club's prospect. So you will prospect no matter where you're at. Likewise, as a full patch member, if I go to an event and they say, who are you a full patch of? I don't say Dogwood Crew. I say I'm a full patch of Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club, because that is my club. That is who I am part of. That is who I represent. Likewise, if some guy from California screws some pooch somewhere, I'm held just as accountable as he is, because I wear the same patch. So if something happens in another state, in another part of the area, they're not going to view me any different whether I am or not part of their charter. You know, I could have the greatest charter in the world over here in North Carolina, but somewhere up in Oklahoma messes up and I go out to visit Oklahoma, they're going to look at me, even though I'm not from Oklahoma, they're going to look at me as part of the same club because I wear the same patch. So you are not, even though you do have friendships and associations and a tight bond in whatever charter you're in, as a prospect or a full patch, you represent the club, not just the charter. And it's important to remember that. You're part of the greater whole. You lose a lot of individuality when you put on a patch, because you are part of a greater whole and you need to represent that greater whole and represent it with pride and represent it with respect. So thank you, Yogi Clan, for stopping by and checking out this MC Monday tip. I hope it gives you a little perspective on being a prospect or being a full patch. Just remember, it's about the club. It's not about the charter. And I hope this tip helps you. I will catch you on the next one. All right, Yogi Clan. Peace.